Hello everyone, today I have Citroen C4 Cactus with common issues. A lot of similar cars have common issues, and now I will show you what it is and how I will sort it. Let's go. This car have problem with touch screen. Yesterday it wasn't work, today it start work again. But I already investigate that this touch screen unstick. I can take it off easy. See? Ta-da! We have few options how to sort this issue. First one, just order touch screen, new one, and fit it back. But before you have to take off multimedia this, take proper clean everything around here, glue this mount trim underneath and stick new one touch screen. If you want to do the faster and quick, you can order on eBay second-hand one, good working order. This one I take from similar car with original screen. Hope so it will work for me. And now I will show you how dismount, easy dismount without any special tools, this old one multimedia and fit mine. Let's go. Job done. It take me just 5 minutes to replace whole multimedia. Let's see if it's working on my car, because it was from another second-hand car, but I think it will be everything fine. Touchscreen working fine. Okay, recirculation, auto. Everything working absolutely fine. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe on my channel, and see you next video.